Good morning, everybody. This is 6th of March 2025, Thursday, CRAZII Market Talk with KEL. Now we'll start the session right now. Before that, once again, disclaimer apply as usual. Ensure that you do your risk management before engaging into the market. So let's look at gold this morning. Now, this morning, gold has a very interesting pattern, and that is the DJDD, the Doji Directional Day. All right, that is the DJDD. So that means that today the opening price is going to be very important. If the market stays above OP, it will be a buy. If the market stays below OP, it will be a sell. It's as simple as that for Doji Directional Day. Now, of course, during the day, there could be a possibility the market may go up first, then come back down to close near the low, or it could be a go down first initially and close up at the high. So it's all possible in situation like this. The only good part is that right now the KSI is green, the KCX is blue, I mean it's black, sorry. So because of that, right, the market is bullish to the upside, and the MA30 is 2899, so it's below the current price, so it's also holding up the market. So one thing to note will be the pivot one, which is 2944. Okay, that will be the target for the gold upside today. Is a pivot, okay, 2944. Now, of course, the flip side will be 2900. If the market goes below OP, then 2900. So let's say now today's OP is 2918, right? That's OP for today. All right, that's OP. So the upside target 2944 versus the downside target 2900. Okay, so now everybody online right now, how many of you think that it's going to go up to 2944? How many of you think it's going to go down to 2900? Please key in the comment box right now. Okay, so Elise looking at 2900, Kong Sing looking at 2945. 45. Okay. Uh, this Janet 2944 and Tichan this 2944, Tisha 2944, Juwin 2944, Nigel 2944. Okay, so seemingly there are more bulls than bears. Okay, all right. Doesn't matter. No one is correct, no one's perfect. So we just see how it goes. But those two numbers will be the numbers that you are looking forward to see. Okay. Now, in case you see that how my laptop got this little red dot there, right? It's because I'm doing now the automated trading. All right, the TWB automated trading is ongoing right now. If I show you the 5-minute chart, you can actually see it later. Okay, you can see that this is the automation on here itself. All right, so you can see that this morning we shorted here first because it went below OP, right? Then after that, when it goes up, we cut loss and then we flip to the long side. So now the target will be here at the KTR plus 1 at 2930.61. That will be the target for the upside for gold if it stays above OP. Okay, so that is the current right now. Now this morning there were two diamonds right here, two diamonds within 5 bars, which is good. Draw the line. You should have bought it here. All right, this way you should have bought it, and now if you have done it, you should make some profit along the way. Okay, so that is for gold. All right, let's flip over to the next market, which is the Dow Jones. Okay. Now, Dow Jones is interesting. Last night we saw a heavy sell-off. Again, the market rebounded. Now, how was that be? Because if you notice this as a KCB over here previously, if you put it in right now, you will notice that, oh gosh, that's why the market is so strong. Each time the market came down, it retaliated by recovering. Each time it came back down, it retaliated. So this so-called used KCB is still very, very powerful. It's the price is 42,511. Yeah, the very powerful technical level. Seemingly every time the market comes down, it will always have the reason to rebound. So if you want to see any form of selling that is going to be convincing, the market must go below this so-called invisible special line. Okay, all right. So I think it's a way first because it's not part of our syllabus. I'll take it out. Okay. Okay, so for today, how does it work? Very simple, guys. The market opening price is above MLP. So by right, it's more to the buy side. And once the market stays above OP, there's a high chance it will break above the MA 200, which is 43021. Now, we said before the Dow is below the MA 30, so that's why there was some selling that day. And of course, when he lost the MA 200, there was even heavier selling, while seemingly funds came in to buy up the market. That's very interesting, yeah? Okay, so now where's the upside? The upside after here will be next KCB, which is 43,255. So if the Dow do go up, the first target will be 43,255. That will be the technical resistance for the Dow Jones upside. Okay. Now, if the market do break below OP, then we must have the pivot one as a first base support. 42788 will be the very strong support for this Dow Jones today. If the market do break down and goes below 42,788, then yes, there's a probability we may see going all the way down. Or worse, it may go all the way down, touch the KCB at 42,295. Okay. All right, so this is the Dow Jones, and you can see overall the KSI, the KCX are all negative, so the market sentiment is poor. Of course, through naked eye, we cannot see it, but when you're trading the market, you can actually generally feel the market is bull or bear. All right, so that is the Dow Jones chart. The next chart itself is going to talk about is crude oil. Now, crude oil continued to fall, and I'm keep on telling you this: don't buy crude oil unless it's above OP. So today, the opening price is $66.35, and now it's trading above OP, right? Okay, fine. So of course there'll be a point of oversold, and eventually the convention will take over. But to me itself today is very clear cut. Above OP is a buy because the pivot one is $65.89, and the current opening price is $66.35. So basically, after it's up, it can be bought. So the upside is where will it go? The first target is $67.99. That is the upside for gold. All right, downside then. Downside will be the support will be the back to the pivot one, which is 65.89. So if the market do break 65.89, it will re-enter this pivot one. Hence, therefore, the probability of going back down to the next level, which is let me take a look. Oh, there I cannot see. 63.90 if not wrong. $63.90. Okay, so the downside can be as high as $63.90. So it's a big gap over here. So be careful on the buy. If you ask me itself, right, I think most likely we'll see the upside of the crude oil for today. But then once it hit the top, it may have some profit taking. All right, last one will be the Hang Seng. Now, I want to share Hang Seng to you guys because this Hang Seng was a beautiful elephant trade setup. Okay, how was it happening? So the thing is that you can see over the last 4 days over here, the market was beautifully going down. It's like symmetrically going down. And you can see the KSI was all the way green. Now, this is called an elephant trade because the market is going down, but the KSI stays green. So what will happen once the market finds a base and recovers, it will go back up to where it started, and in this case, it's over here. And because of that itself, right, we couldn't buy yesterday because I really forgot about it. And because it's gap up, I was waiting for it to come down a little bit, but continue go up. That was my bad. I didn't call for it. And then after that, it closed near the top. And of course, with the Dow Jones up last night, you can see that the market really gap up and hit that technical support sweetly itself. All right, so this is how you use an elephant trade once again. The market is on a day chart basis, and the KSI has to be green. And as long as the market stays above the opening price, right, it will recover to where it all started. Okay. All right, all clear? If all clear is all right, press the next number. The number will be number 1. Okay, guys, this is Tesla, a US share, just to share with you. And we saw the diamond that appeared back here. You draw a line across it. That was where the market sell. All right. Now, how do I know the market was selling? Because the KSI was red all the way. So that's why when I was very confident that Tesla share will go down, I did give a measurement somewhere around here. I said that this way can buy back our Tesla shares if you short it. And true, we thought it went down and it was triggered. But as usually, as helping when the market goes even lower, people question me, how come I don't predict all these numbers? Now, guys, most of the time I predict short-term trade, like 1-2 days trade. Long-term trades I do have, but it won't be such a small magnitude. It'll be like, over a few tens or hundreds of dollars, depending on the instrument itself. Yeah. So that's different here. So for those in Tesla, well, you can see that it's trying to rebound. The boys are still around, the retail are still around. So maybe you really need to go slow on this crude oil if you are looking to buy or been buying over the course of time. Yeah. Okay, so the next market on go is a forex currency pair, which is dollar yen. I mentioned yesterday, dollar yen can look for buy, look for sell. Sorry. Now, what's the reason? Because the KSI was red in color, the market was going up, right? So immediately I told you guys that there's a good chance we'll see the market coming down to here. Okay, so you short around here yesterday, you will be making the money on this side itself. All right, so that is the end of today's market talk. I hope you enjoy this. All right, we take a short break. I'll come back to do the revision. Yeah, so make money from the market. This is the top priority for today. Okay, thank you.